Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of metal 3D printing, specifically a process called wire arc additive manufacturing with tungsten inert gas, or WAMTIG for short. WAMTIG uses a welding torch to melt a metal wire layer by layer to create large, complex parts. Picture a robot arm carefully drawing a metal object in mid-air, like a high-tech sculptor. Pretty cool, right? But like any construction project, WAMTIG has faced some challenges. Traditional WAMTIG uses a single wire feed which can be slow-going, especially for large parts. Another challenge is ensuring the metal layers are uniform and strong. Inconsistencies in the wire feed can lead to weak spots or imperfections in the final product. That's where the amazing innovation of a triple wire feed mechanism comes in. This breakthrough is changing the game for WAMTIG and opening up a world of possibilities. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to explore this exciting new technology. Remember the limitations of using a single wire in WAMTIG? Scientists and engineers have come up with a brilliant solution, a triple wire feed mechanism. Instead of feeding one wire at a time, the triple wire feed mechanism uses 3 wires simultaneously. This setup involves a specially designed welding torch with 3 separate nozzles. Each nozzle feeds a metal wire into the melt pool, where they're fused together by the intense heat of the TIG arc. But it's not just about feeding more metal, it's about feeding it smarter. The 3 wires can be independently controlled, allowing for precise adjustments to the melt pool size, shape, and temperature. This fine-tuning results in faster build times, improved material deposition, and better energy efficiency. It's a win-win-win for manufacturers. Now for the moment of truth, science fans, does the triple wire feed mechanism live up to the hype? Absolutely. First off, let's talk speed. With 3 wires working together, we can build our metal masterpiece much faster. The triple wire feed significantly increases the material deposition rate. And it's not just about speed, it's about quality too. The triple wire system allows for more precise control over the melt pool, resulting in a more uniform and consistent bead geometry. This means fewer imperfections, less post-processing work, and a stronger final product. The triple wire feed also boasts improved energy efficiency. By optimizing the melt pool dynamics, we can achieve the same build quality with less energy input, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective manufacturing process. It's clear that the triple wire feed mechanism is a game changer for WAMTIG technology. The advancements in WAMTIG, particularly the introduction of the triple wire feed mechanism, are sending ripples of excitement throughout the manufacturing world. This technology isn't just a cool science project, it has the potential to revolutionize how we build things. Take the aerospace industry, for example. Imagine building lighter, stronger, and more fuel-efficient aircraft components using WAMTIG. With the triple wire feed, we can create intricate parts with complex geometries, all while saving time and money. The automotive industry is another prime candidate for this technology. From lightweight chassis components to customized car parts, the possibilities for innovation are endless. Triple wire WAMTIG has the potential to impact various sectors, from tooling and mold making to the medical field, where customized implants and prosthetics could be manufactured with incredible precision. The ability to create large, complex metal parts with speed, efficiency, and accuracy opens up a world of possibilities for designers, engineers, and manufacturers across the board. The development of the triple wire feed mechanism is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It's a reminder that we're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and the future of metal additive manufacturing is brighter than ever. Researchers and engineers are already exploring ways to further enhance the triple wire WAMTIG process. Imagine incorporating different types of metals, or even embedding sensors directly into the structure as it's being built. The possibilities are truly limitless. With continued research and development, we can expect to see even faster build times, greater material efficiency, and the ability to create even more complex and intricate designs. This technology has the potential to transform manufacturing as we know it, empowering us to create a more sustainable, efficient, and innovative future. Well, there you have it, science fans. The triple wire feed mechanism is revolutionizing WAMTIG, propelling it to the forefront of metal additive manufacturing. With its ability to build large, complex parts with speed, precision, and efficiency, this technology is poised to transform industries and shape the future of manufacturing. From aerospace to automotive, from tooling to medical, the applications for triple-wire WAM TIG are vast and continue to expand. As research and development efforts continue, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride, because the future of metal additive manufacturing is here, and it's looking brighter than ever.